Whether it's morning, noon, or night, the Learn, Develop, Live podcast will set you right. This is the Learn, Develop, Live 1 Minute of Motivation.
Good morning! This is the 1 Minute Motivation from the Learn, Develop, Live podcast. Bring you another quote to try and help kickstart your day. And here are your words of wisdom from L.M. Preston. Life is an adventure, so live it up. Life is indeed an adventure, a journey. Ups and downs are always going to be waiting for you around every corner. The purpose of life, after all, is to live it, to taste experience to the utmost, to reach out eagerly and without fear for a newer and richer experience. Life begins at the end of your comfort zone, so what will you do with yours today?
That was your 1 minute of motivation. You can find more motivation and inspiration at learndeveloplive.com, and we'll see you tomorrow for more.